Yo, what is going on, fam? So today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Torque Pro app to the BAF Products OBD2 scanner. This should work for other similar Bluetooth scanners, but I'm going to be showing you with this particular one, and I will have a link to where you can buy this in the description below. So first thing you are going to do is go to your app store on whatever device you may be using. So me, I have a Android, so I would just go to the Play Store, type in Torque, and bam. So you have Torque Pro and Torque Lite. All right, so Torque Pro is what I have already, so I would just go to that like that. Bam, Torque Pro is already downloaded. All right, and so once you're sure you have that downloaded, next thing you're going to do is find your OBD2 port. So what your OBD2 port is, it's going to pretty much look like this design right here. This is the port that allows this to read off of your vehicle's parameters, engine, etc., etc. So you're going to take this, make sure it's facing the right way, and plug it in. Once you plug it in, all these lights should flash. Then it should go straight to red like that. So once it goes to red, you're going to hop in your vehicle and go ahead and start it. Got a diesel, so I gotta wait to start, you know. Bam, go ahead and start it. So now what you want to do is you want to go to your Bluetooth settings and connect to the Torque to the BAF Bluetooth reader. So go to Bluetooth settings, go to Bluetooth. May take a little while to recognize. Ooh, light's a little bright, so as you can see right here, it didn't pop up as OBD2 like it was supposed to. It said that, you know, it will pop up once the device is actually connected, but once I went to connect, so the passcode should be 1234, and now we're paired with this. So the directions actually said that you are supposed to do this when the vehicle is on, but it wouldn't even show while the vehicle was on. So now that we got that connected, I'm going to go ahead, restart the vehicle. Restart the vehicle. Then I'm gonna go into the Torque Pro app like that, click settings, go to OBD2 adapter settings, choose Bluetooth device right here. It's selected. And then now you see those lights flashing right there. So now when I go back to the home screen, I should be able to utilize it and add different things. So it's reading my fault codes right now. So no faults. Restored in my NCU. Click real time information. You'll see right here, like revs. I give it a little bit of revs. It comes up. It'll tell me my speed, tells me my coolant tip, tells me my vacuum. So pretty much that easy right there. And so the Torque Pro app, I'm sure if you guys have already looked into it, then you already know like all the different things that this offers. This is like such more of a budget oriented thing to where compared to those expensive like OBD2 scanners. And yeah, some of them do a lot more, but you can do a lot with this app right here. The app itself is $5 for the Pro. This little guy, I think it's like $20 on Amazon. I'm gonna link there. But that is how you actually connect your Torque, your OBD2 Bluetooth scanner to your phone to be able to read code. You can also do this with an Android tablet. Like there's so many different things that you can do with this. But I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, definitely consider checking out some of my other videos. And if you have a Duramax, Corvette, or Honda, I'm your dude right there. So definitely rock with me. Take it easy. I'm out.
Coach.